Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Your geo number must be active, and you need OTP access for verification. Once done, open the My Geo app. If it's not updated, update it now to avoid interface differences. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and have at least 20% battery so the process doesn't interrupt. You're ready to proceed. Tap the Profile or Recharge tab to begin the upgrade flow, because the app directs the available plans for your exact number. You now choose the right upgrade. Tap Recharge, then View Plans, and use filters for validity, data, or price to narrow options quickly. Compare benefits side by side. Look at daily data, unlimited calling, OTT add-ons, and any rollover or family features, because extras change long-term value. Once you identify contenders, tap a plan to read detailed terms and hit the Compare tool if available. Make sure to note start date and auto-renew settings so billing aligns with your expectations. You finish by selecting the payment method, UPI, card, net banking, or wallet, and confirming the exact amount before authorizing. Complete the payment and wait for the app SMS or notification. Save the transaction ID and screenshot the success screen for records. If the recharge doesn't reflect within a few minutes, retry only after checking your bank. If problem persists, contact Geo support with the transaction ID and screenshots, because that info speeds resolution and prevents duplicated charges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.